How to fix Attijariwafa app not working. If you're not being able to use the Attijariwafa application, there could be various underlying issues for this. Starting with your internet connection, if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you in turn save the problem and solve the issue. If that doesn't, if you're using any sort of VPN or proxy settings, you might want to disable that as well, because that could interfere with the connection of the current device that you're using. Then after that, if you're using iPhone, you can simply open Settings app on your iPhone and then go to the option called General and then go to iPhone Storage. From iPhone Storage, you can see various options over here. You will simply want to look for the Attijariwafa application by going to the Show All button. And when you find the Attijari Mobile app, you can tap on Offload app and reinstall the app. Then after that, go to your app store over here, search for the Attijari Mobile application and check if it has an update available, and if it does, then you also want to make sure to update it to the latest version. If none of these are working, then it could be that there is some kind of issue with your account. In that case, you can try to contact the customer service to see if that helps you. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.